So after I've dried them for about 2 days, just wilt them slightly, I have put them through a sieve. First of all, I've just did them by hand, did a part of them by hand, and what I did was I just used the two hands to slightly release as much seeds as I can from the fibrous part. So this is what it's left over after the seeds have been released, most of them. So we have a larger batch over there of the fibrous part, but I just chose to show you this small part over here, so it's completely normal. This is the part that you would need to discard because you will not be able to use it in doing any of the recipes that require nettle seeds, and you will also definitely not be able to use it when you are doing the nettle seed oil, which we've talked about many times before in the previous videos about the benefits when it comes to joint pain, when it comes to hair growth, and when it comes to fighting dandruff as well, because it contains anti-inflammatory properties. So you would need to discard the fibrous part. Another